What's your honest opinion of Gator Gliding Super Slick 2000, a Yamaha hull? I'm not a fan, but most people who are like, I need a Gator Glide, it's because they're running their skis into shit. Okay? You need training wheels. The people who put those things on need training wheels. That's why. I've never torn the guts out of a hull before. Okay? I've also shared, 4 videos on this topic? Guys, most people will never feel the negative effects of gator gliding their ski. They'll never feel it. They'll never know. It will never register. They'll just fart along their way and it will be cherry pie. And they'll go, I don't know what that angry ginger is talking about. And they're right. They're absolutely right. They're right. Because I don't feel anything. It's great. It handles awesome. And I go, great. Because you're not completely dropped in the knee, completely hooking the turns, and you're not feeling the hull have variations in surface tension. Same thing with motorcycles and sport bikes that get on the outside, the outside berm of the tire, and they're going on the, that outer wall. Those sport bike guys, they feel variation. Well, they don't want a variation in surface tension. What they want is a linear curve of unbroken surface tension. That's what I'm talking about when it comes to gator gliding the hulls of a ski. Most people will never feel it, and they'll be fine with it. I personally think it's training wheels. I think it's because you run your skis into things.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.